Welcome back to Code with Reddy, where we simplify complex tech topics for you. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting and revolutionary fields in technology, artificial intelligence, or AI. We'll explore what AI is, how it's shaping our world, and most importantly, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of this transformative technology. So, let's get started. First, what is artificial intelligence? At its core, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, and perform tasks like problem solving, decision making, and even understanding language. AI can be categorized into narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to handle specific tasks, while general AI is still a theoretical concept, aiming to perform any intellectual task a human can. Now let's look at the advantages of AI. 1. Increased efficiency and automation. AI can perform tasks faster and more accurately than humans. From manufacturing to administrative tasks, AI can automate repetitive processes, allowing humans to focus on creative, higher value work. This leads to greater productivity and cost savings. 2. Data analysis and decision making. AI analyzes vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, helping in fields like healthcare, finance, and marketing. AI systems assist businesses and individuals in making more informed decisions, whether it's diagnosing diseases or predicting market trends. 3. Improved healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by enabling faster diagnosis, personalized treatment, and advanced drug discovery. AI powered tools can analyze medical images, identify issues, and suggest treatments, improving both accuracy and efficiency. 4. Enhancing personalization. AI helps create personalized experiences in industries like retail and entertainment. AI algorithms recommend content on platforms like Netflix and Spotify based on your preferences, enhancing user satisfaction. 5. 24/7 availability. AI works around the clock. Unlike humans, AI systems don't need breaks, making them perfect for customer service, where chatbots and virtual assistants can engage with users at any time. 6. Advanced research and development. AI accelerates scientific research by analyzing data faster and identifying patterns in areas like physics, biology, and climate change. Now, let's move to the disadvantages of AI. 1. Job displacement. AI could replace human workers in many industries, leading to job loss in sectors like manufacturing, customer service, and finance. This raises concerns about job security and the need for reskilling the workforce. 2. Bias and discrimination. AI systems learn from data, and if the data is biased, the AI can perpetuate those biases. This has been seen in facial recognition and hiring algorithms, highlighting the importance of training AI on diverse, unbiased data. 3. Lack of emotional intelligence. AI lacks the emotional intelligence that humans possess. It can't understand complex emotions or cultural nuances, which is important in areas like counseling and human resources. 4. Security risks and privacy concerns. With AI processing sensitive data, there are risks of data breaches and cyber attacks. AI can also be used to manipulate data, raising concerns about privacy. 5. High costs of implementation. Developing AI systems can be expensive, especially for smaller businesses. The costs of research, testing, and deployment can be a barrier. 6. Overdependence on technology. Relying too much on AI can result in diminished human decision making and critical thinking. If AI systems fail or are compromised, it can lead to disruptions. In conclusion, artificial intelligence offers numerous advantages like efficiency, improved healthcare, and better decision making. However, there are also challenges, including job displacement, biases, and privacy concerns. It's important to address these issues as AI continues to evolve. Thank you for watching today's video on artificial intelligence advantages and disadvantages. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Code with Reddy for more exciting tech content. Stay curious and see you in the next video.